Everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you on how to design this particular flyer design using your smartphone. So as you can see, this was done with my smartphone and I'm going to be showing you the process. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, please kindly hit on the subscribe button. Now let's dive into the tutorial. So I'm going to be explaining this process. So just listen to me and then you are good to go. So let's delete this text. That is the first thing we are going to be doing. Now we need our background. We need to change our background to red. Yes, so we'll come over here, come to color, then click on this. So this is the color I'll be using. So let me show you the code. No, I don't think this is the color. Sorry. Kindly give me the permission to paste the code. So the code is DE0A09. So that is the code. So just click on next, then done. Then click on this 8 button, then OK. So now we have our background. This is the background I use, the particular background I use. So okay. Now let's import this file. I think it's under download. Okay, so making use of this. You can always check the description of the video for this file. So this is it. Then I'll come to opacity to reduce it. So I'm trying to, okay, before the opacity, let's cancel. Come to color. Come to color. So I want to enable this as red. So I've enabled this right. So in other words, I'm using this red over here. This red over here. So we are good to go. Now, don't reduce the opacity, just lock. Okay, so let's continue. So the next thing we have to do is to bring our image. The image we'll be using. Actually, I've removed the background of this image. So you don't have to remove it from your end. And if you don't know how to remove background, kindly check the group for the tutorial. So click on OK. So this is the first image that we'll be using. So for proper arrangement, let's import the second one. So this is the second one. So reduce this a little bit. That means we are going to reduce this a little bit. While we enlarge this. For proper view, let me import the main design that we are working on, so that we can have the proper view of what we are working on. Okay, good. So let me hide this. The goal is to have the same results. So that's why I'm doing it like this. Okay, let's just continue. Let's continue. Okay. Now, this particular image, I think I use 3D rotation to rotate it a little bit. At least this is how it is before, but I'm trying to rotate it. Okay, I think 30 is good. 30 is good. Then we come over here, we enable shadow. So let's enable the shadow. Okay, so this is what I did. Let's reduce this a little bit. Let's make this 10. Okay, good. So we'll do the same thing for this, but this one will not be rotating it. We'll just enable the shadow immediately. Direct rather. So let's enable the shadow. So okay, now we are getting there. Okay, what is the next thing? Just follow me closely because there are some things I'll be doing to this background. I'm not done with my background yet, but let's bring this over here. Okay, so here we are for this. Now let's lock this. Let's lock this. Let's lock this. Now we are getting there. We are getting there. Now I need another shape, but this time around I will be making this shape black, gradient to be precise. So I'll be using this. If you want to get this particular thing, you come to this place, this green color over here. So when you come to this place, you click on plus. So when you click on plus, we'll rotate this. We want black to be at the bottom. Then we click on this, click on plus. Is it plus? Sorry. No. We are not clicking on plus this time around. We click on this place. Then after that, we drag this. I'm dragging another thing. So after that, we drag this to the end like this. You can see me, right? So after dragging, you can just adjust this a little bit and make it straight. Okay, good. So that is how we arrived at this place. So let's continue. So we take this thing to the back. So to back. So after taking it to back, we have to bring it at the top of this shape over here. Oh my god, sorry. I think there's a features in this side. Let me remove the features. There's a particular. Where is this shape? There's something here. Okay, let's just move. So when we have this, now we will now come to opacity. So we'll now reduce the opacity a little bit. So I think 50 is okay. Can you see the logic behind this thing? So that is the essence of tutorial, just to see the mindset. Can you see the logic? So we are getting there already. So before we place our tomatoes, let's have our text. So we'll come over here for our text. Then what do we even have safe? Sorry, please. Tempting Fridays. Okay, good. So we'll be having our text tempting. So we have tempting first. So we'll come to fonts. If you don't know how to import fonts on your Pixellab, kindly check the YouTube channel for that. So we'll be using of this Pro, this particular one. So after that, okay, this is how it is white. So we'll come to style. Let's come to style. Then we'll change it to Italy. So we are going to leave it like this. Then let's check the size. Is 40 okay? Or I should make it 50? No, I think I make use of 40. Okay, let's continue. So this is it white. Let's lock this and let's bring this down a little bit. Okay, good. Let's continue. Now let's copy this. We are going to copy this, then we are going to have our Friday. Just watch this tutorial to the end because I'm still going to show you how I did the editing of it. Wow. Can you see that? Okay, so let's move. So I think we have something like irresistible traits every Friday. So we are going to be changing the font. We are going to be making use of the semi light or normal light. Normal light. So let's make use of this. So let's change this font. Okay, good. So we are getting there. So the next thing, let's import the logo before we import the tomatoes. Mm, where is the logo? It's in Pixellab, okay. That is King Kitchen. Okay, so after having our King Kitchen, so we're going to be making use of this of this font. So this is the font we are going to be making use of. Then spacing, no, sorry, it is not spacing I'm looking for. So I'm looking for padding. Okay, so this padding over here. Okay, so we're going to reduce this, then bring it over here. Oh my god, no. Okay, we're getting there, right? So let's log this. It is always advisable you lock your file. Now let's import the last thing. Not the last thing though, because we still have something here. Where is it? So we have these tomatoes. So the first tomato is this. So let's have our shadow for it too. Please, if you are enjoying this tutorial, kindly give us a thumbs up. Just give us a thumbs up if you are enjoying this tutorial. And you can also comment. Yes, and also comment just to encourage us. Thank you so much for doing that. So let's copy this. Then let's click on crop again. So we'll be picking this only now. Then we are going to move this to the back. I don't know why these features in this place. No. Yes, simply what I need. So we are going to rotate this. Good, I have my results. So let's continue. Where is the next thing? Place your order now. Oh, we still have something. Okay. You can just centralize it. Okay. Then bring it down a little bit. So copy the same thing for okay, let's leave this here. Let's import something. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please kindly subscribe, share, like, comment. So I'm trying to pick color from this Instagram. So this is what I did after picking the color now. Okay, so the last thing for Pixellab before we move to Snapseed is making sense. So just enable it. Wow, this is cool. Now let's export this image. So now that we are done here, we are going to move down to Snapseed. So this is the design we just did. So we'll come to this pencil over here. You can see this pencil, right? We click on this pencil, come to tune image. So we'll give it brightness. I think 13 is okay. Contrast 10 is okay. I don't think we need saturation. Just click on OK. Okay, come again. Detail. The sharpening. If you increase it, it's too much, so just increase it a little bit. Then the sharpening 25 is okay. Wow, this is very, very, very okay. The old one, the new one. And if you want to save, you can just click on this place to save. That you can save as copy or export. So that is the all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, please kindly subscribe, like, comment and share.